Oh, there I am. This is kind of awesome. This is Brownsville, Tennessee. This is where Mindfield 6.0 is taking place. And this is the Mindfield. You can come here and you can fly through it, around it, under it, over it. We're all meeting in this parking lot right here. Plenty of parking. There's gonna be a lot of vendors. There's gonna be a band. I'll put the name of the band on the screen. Over here, we've got the Mindfield Grill. They're gonna be open. They're gonna have ice cream and barbecue. And over here, this is where everybody's camping. This is the campground, and also where people will be flying their fixed wing. August 23rd and 24th, but people get here on Friday, the 22nd, which is actually my birthday. Here's some new stuff that Billy recently put up. This is the latest edition and the tallest point of the Mindfield. And here's a crane with, I think, a crane on top of the crane. And then here is another crane with a heron on top. Yeah, look at that. Look at that heron on top of the crane. I hope you can join us for Mindfield 6.0. All the links are in the description. Please come, bring your drone, bring your kids, bring your grandma, and bring your sense of fun, because it's gonna be a big year this year. We're gonna have a band. We're gonna have a tethered hot air balloon here giving people rides. All the sponsors are gonna be here giving away their prizes and gifts. The eVTOL from Pivotal will be back. He'll be doing demonstration flight. Birmingham RC Club are gonna be out here. They're gonna be bringing their very large RC planes and doing an aerobatic show. So I do hope you can join us. It's gonna be lots and lots of fun here at the Mindfield. Billy Tripp and you in Brownsville, Tennessee. Come hang with us, won't you? He's moving me around now. Oh, this is actually kind of fun. I'd like to apologize to my mom. I told her I was doing this before I did it. Usually I tell her about these things afterwards when I lived, but I trust Billy, Mom. It's gonna be all right. Ready for launch.
I meant to tell you, I got a surprise up there.
A surprise?
When you get all the way up there.
What? Okay. Oh, there's a surprise. Look, there it is. Get you one of these shirts too. There's a link in the description. Mindfield 6.0, see you here. I think I'm getting a ride. I think that's what's happening now. I'm being swung around. I said, Billy, do something fun with the crane with me on it. And he goes, okay. So he's swinging me around. There will not be crane rides at Mindfield. So you're just gonna have to let this video be your ride. Get a shirt. Oh man. Oh. Am I in the tree? I can tell you this. Trees, they really are dicks. They've got me. They've got me in their clutches. There's a Trees Are Dicks t-shirt link in the description if you want to get one of those shirts. Man, until next time, buh and bye. Where am I landing? Oh yeah, we're gonna land over here. Battery level low. And now, terra firma. There we go. Okay. That was fantastic.
Poke your butt out on it. You got your pants up.
Yeah.